Alhamdulillah. Permits me to do the video demo this way. I think I'm having difficulty using my on-screen software, so I don't want any delay. So this is the school. So I just typed the URL of the school using this software from Ibadan. So alaminacademy.com.ng, and I'm here on the landing page. So this is school, Aliman School. So you can actually change the logo to yours, and even some can still modify some of the things based on your requirements if you don't like how you want that. So here we have read manual, we check results, sign up. So when you come to check results, for example, because it's one of the major features of this website. So this school, so I say check and print student results / performance here. So we have primary school, secondary school, primary school, preschool, madrasa. So this, because this software belongs to one who starts in Ibadan by the name Ambeya. Is a renowned star, so he has madrasa. So for example, if you want to check if a parent wants to check results of their children in secondary school, for example, so you can see you have view your children's result by typing their ID in the search field and clicking the button again after the page below to view. You should request for your child ID, children's ID, meaning an ID is attached to each child's results. So I'm gonna show you how that. So on the admin page, so the school can prepare results online, so they will attach ID to each student, so that with the ID the parents can track their child's results. So for example, we have Yusuf 41 is an ID for Yusuf Amina. So when you click on it, the student can just click on this search button. So based on the instruction given, you can click again, and then the result will be populated. You can see second term Yusuf Amina 14 sex female SS1. So, and then these are results. I hope so. Then you can come down to print the results. Then when you click on it, you can see it's loading. So not to waste time, I can't really wait for it to load. So let me quickly cancel it. So then I can close this thing up. So I can do more than this here. I can sign up. So I can sign. Oh, the page is not. Let me exit the page. So I think I'm short of data or something. So let me open another tab and go back to the URL. So this is the site again. Yeah, so here I can sign up here, or just scroll down to sign up here. So this is desktop view. So I can just input my, register your children to their world, so here for free. So this can even encourage on a distant registration. So, and then you can click on register students, automatically they are registered. So another thing we have this community, so where the school and the parents can meet. Like this is school principal by the name of Palando. So assalamu alaikum there, hope you're having a nice day. So we have the blog page for so the blog page, I think they are not using the blog page for now. So the blog page is for maybe posting the school performance, the children performance, or any news, any academic or educational news. So or notification. So library, we have library. So library, so the school has not been using this library. For example, if you want to click on maybe SS, you can see senior secondary school academic books. So you can just download. So we have, so these books are dummy books. So the school will provide us with the book so that we can input it for them, their school textbooks. So and this is one of the things we are going to be managing for the school. So when you click on for example, you want to download this book, you can just click on this thing, and you notice that this book has been downloaded here. So a student can even download the book here. So, and that doesn't mean they won't purchase it if the school wants them to purchase the book from you. So if you want to read this book now, you can just come here and read the book. This one is the book preloaded by me. So now This can even inculcate the habit of reading. So in school, you just create time for the students to read online. And this they will be eager to read since it's just online. And when they get home, we can give them assignment to read the particular portion in particular textbook. So that's one of the good things of this software. So another thing we have more. So text to speech. So text to speech. Perhaps the school has students that do not that are visually impaired, or even the school may, or even so this can even encourage uh, enrollment of visually impaired students, kids, or blind kids. For example, if this thing, if I copy this thing, so I can see text to speech, especially for the dumb and blind or visually impaired, you may need to connect a speaker in case your laptop doesn't speak. No, let me paste this thing first. So
Start text.
So
Start text.
If I play this thing that I just pasted,
Start text. Start text the text to speech page. Especially for the dumb and blind or visually impaired. You may need to connect to a speaker.
So if the school wants us to install a native language accent, so that's another feature that's going to pay for. So it costs some it calls for some additional payments. Even made some payments to purchase some of the things to use. So I think going to the admin now. So you can see you can log in, and as an admin you can log in. So of course the school can change their password so that but since this software is still on construction, despite the school are using it for now, so I'm still doing some stuff for them, so I need to log in. So here I can prepare results here. So if I go to prepare results, so I can prepare results. Teachers portal, I can register teachers to know how many teachers. If I employed a teacher 20 years ago, I can come here to search for the teacher here. The same thing for students. So this student are students registered by the school. The other one are students. The other portal is for users to register their kids. But here, students register. This is for the school. So let me just leave this thing. Let me come to admin again, because I don't really have much data. So now I can student portal. I come to student portal. I can view students, school registered student. That is student registered by school. So and this school have a lot of students. You can see Suleiman Muhammad Awambeya. So his first student here is the student child of the proprietor, and you can see a lot of students being registered. A lot of students, subhanallah, a lot of students, so that you will see that this software has been, and these images that so I will show you the image. So now if you want to view students that are registered by users, you can come here to the next button. You can see, and you can see their faces here. And the same thing with the first one. So then any student, if you want to search for any student, like the first student, we search for Suleiman, the child of the proprietor, the owner of the school. So you can just, perhaps this student has graduated maybe a decade ago. So you can, and we want to search for the child's details. You can just click, paste the name, search for the name correctly, and click on the search button. Then that will populate the child's details on the feed respectively. So yeah, we're gonna be done in a moment. It's loading. I think my data is somewhat slow, so you can try it. It's gonna work. So this, we have more than that. We have video section where children can watch educational videos. Even we have speech to text, but this one is school need to request for it. You can see the students. This thing is still loading. It's still loading. I don't really have much data. So that's just the nitty-gritty of this software. I hope it's of your interest. It's impressive enough. I would like to get back to you and we would like to get you assured that we are here, we are loyal to and faithful with our to our customers, and devote to our services. Then thank you. Assalamu alaikum.